Good morning. This is Shirley Farrington, the new homes specialist. I would love to help you with a new home. This one is up in Cherokee County. I really work in Cobb County and Cherokee County for new construction. Now up in Cherokee County, you can get, like, this home would be $335,000. And if you went down just below 92 into East Cobb, you're looking at this same home or same value home, but it would be like $400,000. So take a quick look at these. Or this one. This one is, all new homes are great. I mean, they're great deals. And you get buyer bonuses from the builder, but also, since I would like to help you find the home, and I know you can find these homes on your own, but I would do more than just help you find the home. If you chose me to help you buy your next home, your new home, then I can give you a really nice thank you gift for using me as your buyer's agent, up to 1%, and that would really help you with buying something new for your house or adding something new on it. Like, one man wanted a fenced yard, so he got the money for a fenced yard. Another one wanted new appliances, a new refrigerator in there, because the builders a lot of times don't put a refrigerator in there, but you can get one through them, and you'd have to pay for it. So he wanted a nice new stainless steel large refrigerator, so I was able to get that for him. So I give back to you if you use me as your buyer's agent. So that should be a good reason, I would think, if you wanted to buy a new home and get a gift like that, but also you'd have someone on your side that would be giving you the pros and cons. Because if you go directly to the agents, now on site, they can help you, they're really great, but they represent the builder. So you could have someone represent you. And if you want to know more about this, just give me a call. This is Shirley Farrington. I'm with Key Real Estate Solutions in Woodstock, and my number is 678-294-6548, and it's a free consultation to talk about it. It's a free service. Actually, it's a free service. Yeah, right. Because I'm going to help you find a home, show you homes, and then we can even make arrangements that you can go on your own to some of them, if I can't go with you, or if you just happen to be out on a Sunday afternoon looking at new homes, you can go into them and still be able to get your bonus from me, and I'll tell you how you can do that. So, if you want a new home in Cobb County or Cherokee County and have your buyer's agent and get a nice bonus for using my service, then give me a call. I would love to help you. I'm going to let you finish looking at this house. Nice upstairs, extra loft, bonus room. Anyway, so that's the end of this one. Shirley Farrington signing out. 678-294-6548, or email me, ShirleyAFarrington@hotmail.com. Over and out.